Introducing the buyer's journey, a three-step process that takes customers from awareness to purchase. Let's dive in. Step 1. Awareness. Your customer begins by recognizing a need or problem. They search online for information, exploring various options. Step 2. Consideration. Now informed, the customer evaluates different solutions, comparing features, benefits, and pricing. They seek recommendations and read reviews. Step 3. Decision. The customer has narrowed down their choices and is ready to make a purchase. They carefully weigh the options, looking for the best fit. Congratulations! Your customer has completed the buyer's journey and made a purchase. But the journey doesn't end there. You must provide excellent post-purchase support to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. By understanding the buyer's journey, you can tailor your marketing strategies, provide valuable content, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Join us on this journey and connect with your customers every step of the way. Inbound methodology. Transforming the way you do business.